The sound produced by touching each button on a touch-tone phone is described by this formula, where L is the low frequency and H is the high frequency. So the low frequencies are, and the high frequencies. So the touch-tone phone sequence for Mary Has a Little Lamp is as such. So notice 7 doesn't appear in the sequence, but if you accidentally touch 7 as one of the notes, we need to describe this sound as the sum of sines. Also, we need to describe this sound as the product of sines and cosine. Keep in mind, we're looking at 7, so the low frequency is 852, so we're going to replace L in the formula by 852, and the high frequency is 1209, so we're going to replace H by 1209. Now also we have a formula that relates the sum of sines and change it to a product of sine and cosine. Keep in mind the cosine function is an even function, so we can write it as such without the negative inside the parentheses. We're going to see another example. The touchstone phone sequence for Jingle Bells is as follows. Notice that the first 6 notes of the song are produced by repeatedly touching 3. So we need to describe this repeated sound as the sum of sines and also as the product of sines and cosine. So we're looking at number 3, and the low frequency is 697, so we're going to replace L by 697, and the high frequency is 1477, so we're going to replace H by 1477 in our formula. Therefore, the solution is going to be as follows. And this is the solution as a product of sine and cosine.